Earth, sky, day, night, sound and silence, dark and light. One alone is not enough. You need both together. Winter, summer, moon and sun. Lesson number 1. Like a rock, ha, ha, you must be hard, ha, ha, like an oak, you must stand firm, ha, ha, cut quick, like my blade, think fast, ha, ha, unafraid.
Like a rock, ha, ha, I must be hard, ha, ha, like an oak, I must stand firm, ha, ha, cut quick, like my blade, think fast, ha, ha, unafraid.
Like a cloud, you are soft, like bamboo, you bend in the wind. Creeping slow, you're at peace because you know it's okay to be afraid.